Hello, Omzak here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your folders on your Mac computer a little bit personal. So let's dive right into it. Well, first you go make a file in your Photoshop or your Affinity. Make sure it's 512 by 512 by 300 pixels. Make sure your background is transparent, create, and then it's up to your creativity what you make of it. I'm gonna fast forward this a bit. Well, there you have it. Export it. Export as a PNG with a transparent background. Export. Give it a name and find a place for it. Save it. Then you find your file, create a new folder, give it a name. Right click, get info. Then you go to your PNG file, double click or right click and open with preview app. Make sure the preview app is active. Go to file, go to duplicate, but use the option key and you see it change to save as. Save as. Choose from the drop down menu icons. Save it. Oh, don't forget the alpha. Save it. Now drag and drop it to the left top corner. And there you go. There's your folder. Customized to your liking. Well, that was it for today. I hope you liked this short tutorial and don't forget to like and subscribe. And maybe see you next time. This was Omzak. Goodbye.